Have you ever wondered how you can make $10,000 a month on a residential assisted living home? Let me show you how. You see, the average cost of care in our country today is $4,500 per month per resident. And depending on where you live, you're going to be allowed to have somewhere between 6 and 16 residents in your home. We'll call it 10 for easy math. Now, that will be bringing us in $45,000 a month of monthly gross income. But of course, there are expenses. So we need to set aside for our staffing, for food, cable, electricity, the handyman, you name it. Also bake in for liability insurance and vacancies, property taxes. We'll call that $30,000 a month in expenses. And then, of course, our debt service. In most parts of the country, we can still get a pretty nice home for $5,000 every single month. This is leaving us with $10,000 of monthly net income or $120,000 of annual income. And that's pretty good on one average home. But I know what you're thinking. My mom or dad's in assisted living and they're paying a whole lot more than $4,500 a month. Maybe they're paying something like $7,000 a month. And maybe you live in a part of the country like New Jersey, Texas, or Illinois, where you're allowed to have more than 10 residents, maybe that 15 or 16 limit. So let's call it 15 residents at $7,000 a month. That's $105,000 of monthly gross income coming in. Now, your expenses on a luxury home like that are going to cost you quite a bit more, so we'll bake in $50,000 every single month for expenses and $15,000 every single month for your debt service. That's going to leave us with $40,000 of monthly net income or $480,000 annually. I mean, some people are making $40K a year. You could be making it every single month with a residential assisted living home. If you want to learn more, click the link and let's talk today.